Hey everyone, just wanted to introduce our new HLC 4000. We're going to be launching soon here in the North American market. We have a great touchscreen display, an option for a backup camera, 8 data lists where you could upload up to 1,000 contacts into each data list. You can print your tickets. We also have options to transmit data to the web so you can get your information from any internet-enabled device. Remote diagnostics and support, that makes troubleshooting a lot easier. Any software updates or diagnostic files can be done via USB or remotely. You could save different templates, so if you have the same trucks that you load over and over, you wouldn't have to go in and re-enter all the information every single time that truck comes in. To find out more, come and see us at CONEXPO. You can see our HLC 4000 in action, see all the features that we've crammed into this great new weighing system for wheel loader scales. Also, come and check out our paving products and earth moving products that will be on display as well.